Hey guys, how's it going? Pocket back in another video. Finally, I'm back. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer data from your Android device directly to your iPhone. You don't have to have a brand new iPhone. You may have your iPhone for 1 day, for 1 year, for 10 years. It's still going to work. So let's get started. Alright buddy, so before we move on with this video, I would like to make a disclaimer that this is not the official way of migrating from an Android device directly to your brand new iPhone, because the official way involves by going through the hello screen on your iPhone, moving on to the option where it says migrate from Android. But this way, the method I'm going to show you right now is actually the easiest I have found so far, and it works. If your iPhone has enough space to move all the files from your Android device to your iOS, it's going to be fine. And of course, most important, for your convenience, you get a lot more extra stuff along the way. So that's the software we're going to be using for this video. And this software is actually it's more like a manager for your iPhone and iOS devices rather than just migrating, but it also contains this feature. So that's why we're going to be using this. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and see how this program works. Alright, so this is how the software looks like as soon as you launch it. So this is all you have, all the features that you have from the iOS manager, and it runs. So first of all, you have content to computer, so you can export all of your data, all your files from your iPhone to your computer. So that means you can back up all the stuff. You can also clone devices, but please bear in mind that this only works between iPhones. Transfer content between iPhones and merge devices. So I have actually covered these three options on a video in the past, and also I have linked this down in the description. So in case you're interested on how this works, then you can go ahead and watch it. So right now, navigate to Device Manager and then go to iOS Mover. And also please remember that both iPhone and Android have to be connected to the computer in order to be recognized by any trans. And for the first launch, it's going to take quite a while because it's going to download all the appropriate files on your Android device in order to transfer the data from the Android to the iPhone. So now what you need to do is to go to Content for iOS, and this is pretty much everything. So this is my iPhone and this is my Samsung Galaxy 7. So just click on next, and then it's going to ask you what kind of data you would like, what kind of files you would like to transfer from your Android directly to your iPhone. Again, I would like to mention that nothing is going to be deleted from your iPhone. It's just going to move all these files to your iPhone. And please bear in mind that if you have duplicate photos, the same photos from your Android device to your iPhone, just in case you have used your iPhone before and it is not brand new, they're not going to be replaced. So they're going to just be copied on your iPhone. So I'm going to move my music and photos. I don't want to move anything else, just for the demonstration of this video. And please bear in mind that some of these files may not be moved correctly because again, there are different systems, and that means that some files which are on Android may not be compatible with on the iPhone. So please keep this in mind. So yeah, so let's move on and let's see how this is going to work. And yeah, transferring your data to your iPhone is going to take a while, so I'm going to be back as soon as it's finished. Great, so now all these files have been transferred successfully on your iPhone. And also, if you want, you can transfer more files by going to this button, and then you can repeat the process. Actually, I would like to show you the files which we have transferred, so you can be 100% sure that this actually works. So let's go to my iPhone here, and let's move on to Photos first. All right, let's go down, and here, as you can see, it says from my Mac. So I suppose all these photos are the ones which were on my Android device and now have been transferred to my iPhone. By the way, also I would like to mention that the photos from your Android device have not been deleted. So yeah, just keep in mind that not going to be deleted. And there we go. So here, as you can see, it says from any trans. And as you can see, we have 2 albums, and the reason being is because I have actually tested this before making this video. Alright, so now let's actually move on to music and see what we have got there. So let's go to actually not here, let's go to artists. And as you can see, this one saying Samsung, and this is actually the ringtone or maybe the original music for the Samsung Galaxy series. So I'm not going to play it just because of copyright rights, but this obviously was on my Android device and now have been transferred on my iPhone right now. And also we have other music which I did not have on this iPhone. On this iPhone I had nothing at all, no music at all, and these are all the songs which we currently have. So yeah, so this is how you can transfer data from your Android device directly to your iPhone, and plus a lot more. So yeah, so this is pretty much everything I would like to show you today, guys. So transfer data from your Android to your iPhone, very easy, no failures unless something unexpected happens, which I doubt is going to happen. Please also keep in mind that you need to have space on your computer as well, because data are being transferred from your Android to your computer and then to your iPhone. So this is how it works. So make sure you have some space on your computer in order to prevent any possible unexpected flaw. And yeah, alright guys, so this is pretty much everything I would like to show you in this video. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to hit the like button if you like this video. Drop a comment, let me know what you think about this video. Please let me know what kind of Android device you currently have and why do you decide to move to an iOS device. It's a good discussion, so please make sure to let me know down in the description. Also, don't forget to share this with your friends if you found this very useful and you'd like to help people out as well. And most importantly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell right next to it in order to receive notifications for every video we upload in the future. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you to my next video. Stay connected.